Howdy folks, General back to you. Let me show you a little something other here. What I'm showing you here is see if I can hold it over. See that fuzz right here? That's the fuzzy part of a thing of Velcro. If you've got, say, somebody that's sick or disabled and they get their blood pressure taken a lot, take the fuzzy part of Velcro, it's a stick-on Velcro, with the glue strip on the back, and glue that to the head of their bed, and then take your blood pressure cuff and just stick it on it. Now this particular thing here, that's one of those back braces that you put on, and it gives it a home. Once you stick it up there, it's going to stay right there. Peel it right off, it's good to go again. See there? You're not winding it around things, and it stays neat. Now I'm going to pause and go to a different location. All right, here's my other one. This is the back brace. I keep a back brace in two different places in the house. Now, if you're back here in the room, you're not going to see that. It's white on white. And it's behind the door. Put that thing up there. It keeps it straight, where it doesn't get all coiled up and knotted up and stuff. And you know exactly where it's at. It's right behind the door. You can do that behind your in your closet door, on the door itself, on the headboard of your, if you've got if you're the caregiver and you've got a sick person you're taking care of, or your wife, or you see what I'm saying? You can put Velcro related things up. If you've got a glucose meter, you can put the Velcro stuff on the back of one of them, and then just stick it to the headboard and make it neat, where you're not having to go rattle through drawers and stuff to get test equipment you're going to use every few hours anyway, or twice a day or 3 times a day. So that'll just give you an idea of something that you can do with Velcro. It's just that simple. See it up there? Put it up. It's good to go. All right. Y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments. And it's General. I'm out.